This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Step into this beautifully restored home. Picture perfect in every way, and attention to detail is found in every room. Enjoy the wooded den in the back with its very own loft area for the kids to camp out in. Stunning kitchen with all new appliances. Stove will be installed before closing. Large master suite with access to the den area. Once car garage has workshop are in the back. Nice sized backyard with oversized patio to enjoy this fall. A fabulous home awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.